Imagine having a digital assistant that never gets tired. Today, important details faster. It is not replacing human them a powerful second set of eyes.
Behind this breakthrough is a powerful pattern recognition system. It can process huge amounts of information and help experts identify details that might otherwise take much longer to examine.
Unlike a human, a computer system can examine enormous amounts of information at incredible speed. It can compare patterns across many examples and bring important details to an expert's attention.
The real advantage is not replacing human expertise. It is helping experts focus their attention on the areas that may need a closer look.
But this technology raises an important question. If AI can learn from enormous amounts of information, where does that information come from and how can it be protected? To make these systems useful, they need large amounts of high-quality information. But medical information is highly private, so protecting it becomes just as important as developing the technology itself. One solution is called Federated Learning. Instead of sending private information to one central location, AI can learn across separate systems while the original data stays protected where it belongs.
Each location can train the system using its own information. Instead of moving the original data, only learning updates are shared. This approach can help balance powerful AI development with stronger privacy protection.
As these systems become more connected, researchers can learn from a wider range of information. The goal is simple: build smarter tools while keeping privacy and security at the center of the process.
And this is where early detection becomes so important. The sooner a concerning pattern is noticed, the sooner a medical professional can decide what should happen next. Finding a possible problem earlier can give doctors more time to investigate it, confirm what is happening, and choose the most appropriate next step for the patient.
Researchers are studying these tools across several areas of medicine. The goal is to help specialists recognize subtle patterns and support faster, more informed decisions.
But there is an important step before any AI result can influence care. The information must be reviewed, tested, and interpreted by qualified medical professionals.
AI can find patterns, but it does not understand a patient's entire story. That is why human medical expertise remains an essential part of the process. The future is not about choosing between technology and doctors. It is about combining powerful digital tools with human judgment, experience, and compassion.
As this technology moves from research into real-world healthcare, the biggest question is no longer whether AI can help. The question is how we use it responsibly, safely, and effectively.
Used correctly, AI can reduce repetitive work and help specialists spend more time on the decisions that require human experience. But the entire healthcare experience.
And perhaps the biggest benefit is not the technology itself. It is the possibility of giving doctors more time to focus on people, explain difficult decisions, and listen to their patients. When information becomes easier to organize, doctors can spend less time searching through endless data and more time understanding what the information actually means.
AI can provide useful signals, but it should not make the final decision. Doctors must consider history and tests, alongside professional judgment.
Another challenge is trust. Medical AI must be carefully tested, monitored, and protected. Patients need confidence that their information is secure, that the technology is being used responsibly. Before a medical AI system can be trusted, researchers must test how accurately it performs across different situations and groups of people. Careful validation is essential before wider use.
A strong system should work reliably across different populations and healthcare settings. Researchers are therefore testing AI with diverse data, looking for weaknesses before the technology reaches more people.
Performance can also change when technology meets real-world conditions. That is why continuous testing matters. AI systems need regular evaluation to make sure they remain. That is why medical AI should be monitored after deployment, not simply installed and forgotten. Regular checks can help identify unexpected changes and keep the technology working as intended. The goal is not perfect automation. The goal is dependable assistance. When AI is carefully tested and continuously monitored, it can become a useful partner for medical professionals. As these systems improve, their role could expand beyond simply finding patterns. They may help organize information, prioritize attention, and support faster communication between different parts of healthcare. Better communication between digital systems could help specialists access useful information faster, reducing delays and making complex healthcare workflows more efficient.
Automation could also reduce repetitive administrative work. When routine tasks are organized more efficiently, healthcare professionals may have more time for the work that requires experience.
Saving time does not mean rushing decisions.
It means reducing unnecessary delays, so professionals can spend more attention on the information and people that need them most. When different pieces of information can work together, technology can help create a clearer picture, but the final understanding still depends on trained professionals who know the patient.
The most powerful future may be a partnership between people and technology. AI can process information at scale, while doctors provide context, judgment, communication, and compassion.
As AI becomes more capable, the real measure of success will not be how impressive the technology looks. It will be whether it helps professionals make safer and more informed decisions.
Researchers around the world are continuing to study how these tools can be made more accurate, secure, and useful. The next breakthroughs may come from collaboration across borders and institutions.
The future of medical AI will depend on more than powerful algorithms. It will require strong privacy, careful testing, transparent oversight, and responsible use at every step.
Every step matters. Safe data, reliable testing, human oversight, and continuous monitoring can help turn promising technology into a trusted healthcare tool.
We are entering a new chapter in healthcare technology. AI is not the entire answer, important tool in helping doctors understand complex information faster and more efficiently.
The biggest change may happen quietly. Better tools could help healthcare teams work smarter, detect important patterns sooner, and spend more time focused on the people behind the data.
The future of cancer detection may not be about replacing doctors with machines. It may be about giving doctors better tools, better information, and more time to care for their patients. The technology is evolving quickly, but its purpose remains simple. Help people breakthroughs will be the ones that make healthcare more informed, more efficient, and more human. AI may change how we detect and understand disease, but the most important part will always be the human connection behind the technology.
And as this technology continues to evolve, one thing is clear. The future of healthcare will be shaped not by machines alone, but by the people who use them wisely.
The goal is simple. Use technology to support better decisions, earlier attention, and more time for human care. The next chapter of medical AI is already being written.
Technology can process information, but compassion gives healthcare its meaning. The future will be strongest when innovation and human care move forward together.
AI is becoming a powerful tool in modern medicine, but its greatest value may come from how the future is not human versus machine. It is human expertise enhanced by technology.
If you found this look at the future of medical AI interesting, subscribe to AIMystDK for more stories about technology, science, and the breakthroughs. And remember, the future is closer than we think.